Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. This step-by-step video tutorial will guide you through how to launch a class call on Microsoft Teams. First of all, on your Microsoft Teams page, select the class group where you want to start the call. As mentioned in the previous video tutorial, you can either start an instant meeting or schedule one in advance. Since the meeting has already been scheduled, it will automatically appear on your class channel's posts page, and all you need to do is click Join to start the call. On this page, make sure you're unmuted and your speaker is working, then click Join Now. You can check the sound settings later during the call. Since no one has joined yet, you'll see a message indicating that you're the only one in the meeting and waiting for others to join. Here, let's take a quick look at the main call features available in Microsoft Teams. It's important to make sure your microphone is working properly. You can test them by clicking the small arrow next to the microphone icon to open the device settings. You can also check your camera by clicking the small arrow next to the camera icon. From there, you'll see options to select your camera and change your background before joining the meeting. The people icon in the meeting toolbar allows you to see who is currently in the meeting and to invite others to join. When you click on it, a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen showing the students already added to the group. To invite someone to join the call, click on Request to Join located on the right side next to their name. Now your students are starting to join the call. You'll see their names appear in the participants panel as they connect. If any of your students are having trouble connecting, you can click Request to Join to bring them back into the call. Since all the students are now online and it appears that all their microphones are on, click on Mute All to avoid background noise and keep the class organized. Sometimes not all students are part of the Teams group. To invite them, you can search for their names in the participants list and click Request to Join to add them to the call. Or you can copy and share the meeting link so that students can join directly by clicking on it. Choose Copy Meeting Link and share it with the concerned students so they can join the class easily. You can also paste and share the meeting link in the chat box so that all students can easily access it. The View tool allows you to customize how you see participants and shared content during a meeting. You can choose speaker mode to see only the active speaker's video. Or you can choose other modes like the gallery mode, or select other viewing options based on your preference. The gallery mode is set by default, and it allows you to easily see your students' interactions. Here, for example, you can notice that 2 students have raised their hands. To check who raised their hand first, you need to open the People tool, where the names are listed in the order they raised their hands. To lower their hands, you can click on the small hand icon next to the student's name and choose Lower Hand. In this meeting, all students have been invited and are currently shown as presenters. To change their role, you can set them as attendees instead. This will limit their permissions so they can't share their screen or mute others, helping you keep better control of the class. If you want to prevent a student from unmuting their microphone, you can disable their mic control from the participants panel. Click on the 3 dots next to the student's name and choose Disable Mic to mute them and prevent them from turning it back on. To allow the student to speak again, simply repeat the same step and select Allow Mic to re-enable their microphone. To react to a student during the meeting, you can click on the reactions icon and choose an emoji such as like to give instant feedback. Now let's discover the Controls tool at the bottom of the screen. First, you'll notice a check next to Enable Lobby. This means the lobby feature is turned on. The lobby works like a waiting room, where participants stay until the meeting organizer lets them in. If you disable it, Everyone can bypass the lobby and join the call at any time without waiting for approval. For example, let's see what happens when someone waits in the lobby, and how you can admit them into the meeting. As you can see, it appears under the participant list that someone is waiting in the lobby. Simply click the check mark to let them in. The other control buttons let you decide whether students can share their screens, use the chat, unmute themselves, or turn on their cameras. Now, if you're explaining and don't want to be interrupted, you can enable the Q&A feature from the meeting controls icon. Click on View More Options in the Controls feature to access additional features. Choose Participation option from the left sidebar and enable Q&A. Then click Apply. The Q&A icon will now appear on the meeting toolbar, allowing you to open or close the Q&A panel whenever you need it. Click on Start a Discussion and type the information or question you want to share with the participants, and then post it. Students will start interacting by typing their questions in the Q&A panel. You'll see their questions appear in the list where you can review, reply, or dismiss them as needed. And of course, don't forget to post it each time. We have reviewed the essential tools of launching a call. To learn how to record a session and check attendance, watch our next video tutorial. For more video tutorials, visit our channel.